Good morning, Class 4-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson for period 4. It is Friday, November 27th, 2020. I hope everyone is doing safe and well. We are working out of our OWLS workbook. We are on pages 178 and 179 today. Now, the focus for today's lesson, we have two. The first we're starting with is fact and opinion. This should be a review. You may have learned about fact and opinion last year. So we know that a fact is something that can be proven, right? So I'm going to make a little note down here. I'll put a star, and I'm going to say a fact is something that can be proven. This means it is true. Okay? For example, Tokyo Korean school is at Wakamatsu Kawada Station. This is true. If you look on a map, you can see that Tokyo Korean School is located at Wakamatsu Kawada Station. It's a short walk from there. You can use the Oedo line, take it to Wakamatsu Kawada Station, and easily get to Tokyo Korean School. Okay? That's a fact. You can look on a map and you can find it. You can look the address up on the internet and you can find it. This is true. Now, an opinion is what someone thinks about something, a feeling someone has about something. Okay? So I'm going to make a little note down here with another star, and I'm going to say, an opinion is a feeling or a thought someone has about something. Okay? Here's an example. Yum Yum Chicken is much better than karage. Now, everyone might not feel this way. Some people like Yum Yum Chicken, some people like karage. That is their opinion. If you say 7-Eleven is better than Family Mart, this is an opinion. If you say Halloween candy is not as good as Valentine's Day chocolate, this is an opinion. Now, for today's activity, it says to read the paragraphs, then answer the questions. Please listen as I read it. Digging for clams. Clams live under wet sand or mud. A clam's shell has two parts that open and close. The clam opens its shell to get food. A clam with an open shell looks scary. Some people dig for clams. Digging for clams is not fun. Clams are good to eat, though. You can buy clams at a fish shop. Now, let's look at the questions. What are two facts about clams? Well, let's do an example together. Clams live under wet sand or mud. This is a fact. If you look this information up in a book, and if you watch a video, you can learn that clams do live under wet sand or mud. Okay? Please read the rest of the paragraph again and find some more facts. If you underline it, the sentence, and write fact or opinion above it, this will help you to organize your sentences. What are two opinions about digging for clams? A clam with an open shell looks scary. Well, this is an opinion. Everyone might not feel that way. Some people might like to see a clam with open shells. This is an opinion. Now, after you have completed that, let's look at page 179. The activity focus here is a review. Vocabulary, antonyms. This is match the opposites. Read each word. Write an antonym for it on the line. Now you've learned about antonyms before. Okay? I will do an example with you. But first, let's read through the words. Cold, over, closed, fast, full, shallow, begin, top. Antonyms are opposites. So, number one, cold. The opposite of cold is hot. H-O-T. That is the antonym. Please write the antonym or opposites for numbers 2 through 8. When you get down here to the bottom, it says to write a sentence that uses a word and its antonym. I'm going to change that for you to write 3. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 sentences that use the words and their antonyms. You can choose any set of the 3. Okay? Please write 3 sentences using the word and using the words and their antonyms. And that will be it for today's activity. Okay? Now, if you need an example, I'll do one here. I like to drink hot tea in the winter and cold tea. In the summer. I've used hot and I've used cold. There we go. All right, everyone. That's all for today. Stay safe, be well, and remember to email me if you have any questions. Take care and have a great weekend, and I hope to see you all very soon. Bye-bye now.